Okay, I am pretty excited about this Bose, Solo Sound Series 2 speakers. Let's see. You go it here, and you do it pretty much here. So this is going to be very exciting. Wow, this is really good. And let's see what we have it here. So we have this, like the start kit. How do you connect, and the remote and all those things. So the wall bracket guide, how do you want to connect it to the wall, and all those kinds of things. Let's put it here. I think we want to get this out. So what do we have here? So things here, like you have the cable, power outlet goes to the Bose. That's one of the component, and the Bose. Wow, interesting. So you have the remote here, which is pretty good, not bad. And put it down here for the clear view. Oh, and you have, so this is the adapter. This goes to the Bose, and then you have the adapter here. It will get connected to the electric connection, and this will go to the the Bose speakers. That's good. What is this here? This one looks like something that will hold on to the wall. So let me get rid of this right away. So this is something which goes to the wall, I think, and you can attach these speakers to the wall. And there's a very thin rubber plating here, which really looks good. That's good. I'll put this aside. Moving here. These are the screws and nuts that goes in the wall. This is pretty cool. Okay. So let's get rid of it. We already talked about this one. Not bad. And then you have something in here. What is this? So this one is an optical cable. If you compared to, I would have to say, compared to Sonos, they have this optical cable that will go as an input in the Bose, and the output, which will be the input of the television, and then you'll have to control the volume with the remote or universal remote. Unlike Sonos, where Sonos give you the HDMI cable, and the television remote automatically grabs the control of volume up and down and then works like that. We'll do the comparison video later, but yeah, that's the difference that I have observed with Sonos. But this one is the unboxing of Bose, so let's get moving. So we have, beautiful, we have the, so these are just the boxes. Okay. Wow, beautiful. So you have beauty here. So this was the plate that will go to the wall with those brackets that we have, and this is the typical Bose, the USB port here, optical power, and sleek Bose, and this is the Bose. So we will hook this up to the television, Samsung QLED Q6 series, and we will see how does it sound. So we can see the speakers here, woofer here. This is pretty pretty light. It does not really have too much of weight in it. This is the hookup for the wall. You can land up your Bose something like this on the wall, and then it will hang on to the. So I have connected the Bose Soundbar Series 2 to the Samsung QLED Q6 series, and it has been connected through optical output and optical input that goes in the TV. I also do have Sonos, so I'll do the comparison later, but this is about Bose. So let's hear the sound test of the Bose, and we can see how it performs. So I have a video here for speaker test, so let's hear it out. Pretty impressive. Let's hear something else. Really good. That sound is not so bad. Well, I'm pretty impressed with this small piece of equipment here, and I really love the sound, so this is worth checking it out. I hope you really loved the video. I hope you really had the information that you wanted. If you have any questions, please post in the comment and I'll try to answer my best. The comparison between Sonos and the Bose will be done in another video, and you can pretty much decide which one to buy. I will, if you really love the video, please like it and subscribe the channel. Thank you.